And today, I'm Gucci. So let's just wait until my glitches disappears. And then, the next challenge is to, I don't know, kill yourself as fast as you can. Go! Simple. Alright, let's look at the next team. And we'll also see which one's eliminated or not. Anyways, before we do the challenge here, Ruby's eliminated, so bye bye. Anyways, let's see how fast Black Hole can kill himself. Anyways, that means the BFB world will be up for elimination. And also, I also hate the oof sound. Like, the new oofs are like a lot. That's why I don't play that much towers anymore, because every time I die because I'm bad at it, it always hears like someone's moaning, like, I can't moan this, but not my problem. Anyways, see you guys soon. Bye.